Hey y'all, did you know that over 2.2 billion people around the world suffer from vision impairment? And honestly, a lot of these cases could be improved or even prevented with the power of plants. So join me as I try to improve my vision using just 7 natural herbs. Let's see if it actually works. And oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV, and check the description box below for recommended products and more health tips. Vision is one of our most important senses, yet it's something we often take for granted. Instead of jumping straight to glasses or surgery, did you know that certain natural herbs may support and even improve your eyesight? Let's take a deeper look at what nature has to offer. Millions today suffer from nearsightedness, which is also called myopia, farsightedness or hyperopia, dry eyes, blurry vision, and honestly, a lot of eye strain from screens. Modern medicine often focuses on prescription glasses and eye drops, but natural, plant-based support has been used for centuries. And you know, modern science is now catching up. Let's explore 7 herbs that not only protect your eyes, but might actually improve your vision over time. All right, y'all, let's dive into 7 natural herbs that can really give your vision a boost. First up, bilberry. It's rich in anthocyanins that support night vision and improve circulation to the eyes. Fun fact, WB2 pilots actually used bilberry to enhance their sight. Studies even show bilberry may reduce eye fatigue and retinal inflammation. Next, we've got Ginkgo Biloba. This herb increases blood flow to the optic nerve, supports healthy eye pressure, and helps protect against macular degeneration and glaucoma. Now, let's talk about Eyebright, also known as Euphrasia officinalis. It's a traditional European remedy for eye inflammation and can help with redness, itchiness, and even eye infections. Eyebright contains tannins, which have astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. Moving on to fennel seeds, they're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C and have been used as a traditional eye tonic in Ayurveda. Fennel seeds may help with cataracts and conjunctivitis as well. Turmeric is another powerhouse. The curcumin in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, can protect against degenerative eye conditions, and may lower oxidative stress in the retina. Green tea extract is loaded with catechins. Those are antioxidants that help protect delicate eye tissues. It can reduce dark circles, puffiness, and UV damage, acting as a natural shield against free radicals in the eyes. And finally, saffron. Yes, the world's most expensive spice actually has vision-enhancing effects. It improves retinal function, especially in early-stage macular degeneration. Some studies even show improved visual acuity after regular saffron supplementation. So, what's the most powerful herb among them? That's right, saffron. It might surprise you, but this bright golden herb has been shown to restore retinal cells, improve night vision, and even delay age-related vision loss. In a clinical study, just 20 milligrams of saffron daily improved vision significantly in patients with AMD. That's incredible. All 7 herbs we've covered today offer unique benefits for your vision. Whether it's improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, or protecting delicate eye structures from oxidative stress. Incorporating even 2 or 3 of these into your daily health routine could make a real difference in your long-term eye health. Have you ever tried any of these herbs, or do you have a family recipe for eye care? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to visit our description box for trusted herbal supplements, eye health bundles, and more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more natural health hacks here on Calwain Health TV. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more holistic solutions for living healthier, longer, and better.